Javier here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to address Twitter ahead of earnings. Once again, in fact, I already addressed Twitter ahead of earnings for those that they follow our complementary real-time guidance in the markets, unlike scammers on the web that they post fake news deceiving everyone else. Twitter, it has been a strong buy. Recently I announced that the share price was going to soar above $40. I announced to everyone, therefore solving one of the questions that investors, long-term investors in Twitter, they had. If you sold your shares, you are considered a corrupt individual, a criminal in fact, without any knowledge of investing in the markets. And I remind you that my initial upgrade in Twitter, complimentary one, it was made available on the blog of the company at a price of $14.65, okay? So when the stupid, damn fucking Americans, a proven fact, they were downgrading Twitter, I repeat, near single digits, we were saying close your short positions going forward. Twitter, it is a strong buy. Thereafter, we wrote several articles on the blog of the company, one of them telling you to buy 10 million shares of Twitter, okay? And this while the stupid Americans, they maintained a bearish forecast on Twitter on a long-term basis. I'm going to refer to this recent article, which it is available on the blog of the company, Neural Networks and Machine Learning, reveal Twitter blowout earnings report, okay? So if you go through the article, you have it here, complimentary, announced in real time on YouTube. I repeat, unlike the scammers in the US, strong buy rating, announcing the breakout in Twitter, and Twitter blowout earnings. So very explicit, I repeat, and you have it here, the chart since $14.65, the upgrade in real time, okay? In real time made available to investors worldwide. I repeat, unlike the scammers, the American scammers downgrading Twitter at the very bottom, okay? Also, I remind you that I downgraded Twitter to junk at a price of $60 plus when the Americans, they had strong buy ratings, dreaming with prices as $8 and up to $100, okay? So don't forget that we've been discussing Twitter since IPO. So the question is, why do you need to have further guidance going forward in Twitter? Well, because as the share price advances, the company has to respond, okay? So it's rather simple. The higher it goes, the more risk you have if you are buying Twitter for the first time, okay? So, do you understand? It's very important, because if you are buying Twitter for the first time, I repeat, not only you are a complete idiot, because you had here plenty of reasons or compelling reasons to buy Twitter a massive amount when I told you to do so. You have to know what to expect going forward. For example, what is the upside in Twitter in case the company announces a good quarter? What is the downside? The stock pivots to look for, okay? These stock pivots that they are addressed with 100% accuracy, they have to be known in advance, not like the scammers in the US or those that they write articles, blogs, and so on, that they don't tell you absolutely anything, they don't know absolutely anything, and this is a mathematical fact. It's very important, my friends, what I'm telling you about, because I repeat, everything that I say, it has been proven, okay? I'm not repeating or referring to Twitter, I'm referring to thousands of them throughout the past 30 years, okay? And I'm going to finalize also by saying that Twitter, it is not a stock, obviously, for these stupid investors like Warren Buffett. If your methodology, your approach is similar to Warren Buffett, who has not ever bought one single share of Twitter or Amazon or the best companies in the world like the case of Intuitive Surgical, he does not even know what Intuitive Surgical does. Well, this is not obviously for you. We do not want you to place any order, and we do not want you to subscribe to any service, because you are seen as a corrupt investor, a criminal, okay? And with this, I terminate. Thank you very much.